Massage Therapy by Mercedes Nissen. What is massage therapy for animals? Massage therapy is a touch technique used to maintain and improve physical and mental health. Used for thousands of years, massage therapy causes pets to release endorphins that relieve pain and make animals feel good. Massage therapy can strengthen bonds between you and your pet. Benefits and precautions. Benefits. First, it reduces stress and anxiety, also decreases pain, improves circulation and lymphatic flow, assists in recovery process, and helps you identify potential health issues. Precautions. Before doing massage therapy, it is important to consult a vet. That way you can reduce potentially making a condition worse if the animal has it. Never massage an animal if they have low blood pressure, fever, poisoning, severe trauma, severe debilitation, the animal's in shock, has had a heat stroke, or if there's any other underlying issues such as illness or injury that has yet to be diagnosed by a vet. 6 massage techniques. The first one is effleurage, then petrissage, friction, tapotement, copage or compression, and vibration. Now in the next slides I will be going over these individually and what they do and what they consist of. Starting with effleurage. Effleurage is a French word to skim or to touch lightly on. This is a series of strokes used in Swedish massage to warm up the muscle before deep tissue work. This technique is done with a soothing, stroking movement used at the beginning and the end of the massage. Effleurage is also referred to as the opening massage because it's an introduction massage between you and the animal. Next we have petrissage. This is described as kneading, rolling, wringing, and lifting the soft tissue being worked on. Typically, petrissage is used after effleurage, and it's used to help free up knotted and tight muscle. This technique helps increase blood and lymphatic flow to area being worked on, meaning it promotes healing. Next, we have friction. This is a warming stroke used on specific areas of body that need deeper work. Stroke generates heat in order to warm up area. This technique is done by applying pressure and either going in the direction of the muscle fibers, going against the muscle fibers, or going in small circular motions. Tapotement. This is the percussive stroke in which hand is rhythmically applied to an area in order to stimulate nerves, muscles, and circulation. This technique is achieved by hand positioning, cupping your hands with flat palms, using soft fist and or fingers interlaced. When this technique is done on a human, it's commonly referred to as the karate chop. Next we have copage or compression. This is a form of chest physiotherapy, beneficial in loosening and removing excess secretions from lungs. In this technique, your hands should be formed into a cup shape, keep wrists loose, and gently pat the chest in rhythmic manner. This technique sends shock waves to the lungs, releasing fluids and other secretions through the airways, that way they're not clotting into the lungs. This can be performed using one hand or two hands and at a slow or fast pace as long as it's a continuous rhythm. Should be performed for 30 to 1 minute. Vibration. This is the last technique, and it's the rocking, shaking, or trembling movements. It can be done to specific areas, hips, legs, or entire body. Movements can be done slowly or rapidly depending on outcome the vet is looking for. The goal of this technique is to reduce tension in an area while increasing relaxation. Next we have a video, and this is the last portion of my presentation. I'm going to start it at a minute 40.
demonstrations
Enjoy.
of each of the classes of strokes, such as effleurage, petrissage or the kneading strokes, compression, various forms of friction including digital circles or digital pressure, linear friction and skin rolling, and tapotement, any of the percussive strokes. Each massage session should begin with an opening. This is a time during which you introduce yourself to the animal by gently petting them along the spine or back. They will begin to show you signs of relaxation, such as yawning, or perhaps lying down or sitting down and getting into a more comfortable position. You should note that in this video, we are using a table in order to massage our dog. Many people choose to provide massage on a table or other flat surface. Make sure that there is a non-slip surface and a blanket or a dog bed for your dog to rest on to ensure that the dog does not slide off the table. Also, although here I am positioned behind the table, ordinarily if I were massaging a dog on the table, I would place the table against a wall so that the dog could not inadvertently jump away from me or fall off the table by accident. Moving into the body of the massage, you may want to start around the head or neck. With some animals, this will be an area where they feel restricted, and you may want to choose to work farther back on the body to begin. This is an example of petrissage or the kneading strokes. This is very useful in the area of the neck and shoulders and involves lifting the tissues and squeezing the tissues in order to move blood and fluid in and out of the muscle and to lengthen the muscle fibers. Petrissage can be done with both hands simultaneously, as shown here. It can also be done with one hand. Because many dogs wear collars the majority of the time, spending time near the base of the neck and along the neck to loosen those muscles and lengthen the muscles is a great idea. Compression over the muscles of the shoulder can help to move fluids in and out of the tissue and lengthen muscle fibers. Be sure to use pressure that's comfortable for the animal. And try to keep your arms straight and supported. The pressure should come from your body and not just from your hands and wrists.
Okay, now we're excited, and this is all for my video. Thank you.